Hello friends, today we will be doing a cool problem on equal triangles. The equal triangles are those which have equal areas. On January 4, 2021, we asked a question on our Instagram and Facebook pages. The question goes like this. Two triangles of equal areas have sides as 61, 61x and 61, 61, 22. Find x. X is not equal to 22. So let us draw the triangle. Now this is a triangle and we have the equal sides as 61 and 61. The third side as 22. Well, there is one triangle. The other triangle should have the sides as 61, 61 and x. The other triangle must have sides as 61, 61 and x. Well, I drew the diagram like this because both these figures, they look quite different, but they can have same areas, probably. Let's check out. Now to solve this question, we must find the areas and equate them. This is what we can do. So we can use this method where we'll find the area to be half into base into height. Of course, we can calculate the height by using Pythagoras theorem or some other way and then equate it. Or we can use method 2, which is Heron's formula for area, which is like this. Well, by using both this formulae and by equating the areas, we will be getting an expression in terms of x, which will be a biquadratic equation. And nobody wants to solve that much, right? We don't have the whole life to solve this question. Now, what I'm going to do is just break the figures and then unbreak the figures. Basically, I'll break the figures and then join the figures back to solve this question without using anything which looks even remotely mathematical. So coming to method 3, and method 3 is just relax and chill. Well, this question doesn't require any kind of advanced mathematics, but there's a fundamental theorem given by a Greek guy called Pythagoras, and the theorem is called Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, for a right angle triangle, the square of perpendicular plus the square of base is equal to square of hypotenuse. Let us consider the triangle with sides 61, 61 and 22. Now watch very carefully. First of all, I will draw a perpendicular on the side 22 to the opposite vertex and let its height be h. Now, since it is an isosceles triangle, it will divide, or I can say bisect, the opposite side into equal halves that are 11 and 11 each. Now we can use Pythagoras theorem to find the value of h. So h square plus 11 square is equal to 61 square. H square will be equal to 61 square minus 11 square, and on calculation we'll get h as 60. Here h has been replaced by 60. Now we have the same triangle with the side 61, 61 and 22, and inside the triangle there's a perpendicular with length 60. Now we can divide this triangle in two equal triangles which are right angled. So once we do that, along the perpendicular, we can turn the figures along these arrows. Now let us do that. Oh, this is how it becomes. Now we have two right angle triangles which are equal. And here the sides will be 61, 60 and 11 each. Now let's see what happens. We can turn the figures along the arrows again. Well, let's do that. Now the sides which were 60 each combine with each other and make 120 as the side. Now we can look at this triangle. This triangle is made up from the same triangle which had the sides as 61, 61 and 22. We did not do anything, we just broke the triangle and rejoined it, and now we can see the third side is 120. That means 120 has to be the correct answer. Hope you like this video. If you need more videos like this, please tell us in the comment box. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.